There will be many beginners who start their YouTube career with their mobiles, recording, editing, making thumbnails, tags, and for SEO purposes, we mostly use mobile during the beginning level. So to help and make you more comfortable with this stuff, I bought a very cool 7 apps to which you can use for your YouTube purposes. But first of all, there should be 3 necessary apps which is compulsory. One is, of course, YouTube, without which you can't do all that stuff. And basically, nowadays, that app is inbuilt in mobiles. Another is YouTube Studio, which is required in order to know and check the analytics of your channel or of an particular video, or you can even check tags, SEO things, and many more. And last is Google. It is required in order to know the news of your niche which you upload on your YouTube channel, and also it gives you an idea to make a video on which topic in your next video. Now let's come to the main topic, the 7 most required apps for an YouTube channel. First is Google Documents. It is required to make a script of your particular video and also very helpful for those who travel and you get an idea besides you don't have anything to note down, and then these apps come in use. Second is Lexis Audio Editor. It is used to record your audio without any noise and giving very much good sound quality. Third is VN Editor. It is used for video editing purpose, but in mobile, mostly people will use KineMaster, but it is paid. You need to pay for it, whereas VN Editor is free and is completely independent. Fourth is Pixel Lab. It is very great app for making thumbnail in mobile to your YouTube video. This app has great options through which you can give a shape to your thumbnail as your preferences. And to give a color effect, you can use Lightroom app, or you can even use PixArt if you are very good at it. Now the next app is Tag You. This is required to generate best tags for your video, and also it can extract other YouTube video tags in a second. And last app is vidIQ. If you want your videos to rank well, then you must do its SEO, and for that vidIQ supports you in every manner. So this was all your 7 apps which is required if you are using your mobile to make YouTube videos, and comment down your views on it and which apps you use.